We are learning today about more damage from the 2022 blizzard. Now that the ice and snow have melted, teams were able to assess the damage at Buffalo's Naval Park. The USS The Sullivans took on water almost 30 inches in some spots. It's a ship that has already been going through plenty of work after badly listing and partially sinking following last winter.
We are in the process of beginning to pump that section of the ship out, which will start tomorrow. Once those sections are pumped out, we'll have some investigators in the ship and looking for those areas where we might have those intrusions and put some interior patching on her.